What's up, you guys? This is Manuel with Manuel Mission Marketers, and we want to share with you some powerful strategies that are going to take your flooring business to the next level. Okay, you guys, businesses are seeing literally a 5x return on their investment in the very first month that these strategies are implemented, you guys. And so I want to share with you guys a big piece of the pie that people are not using, that people are not utilizing, okay, you guys, and that is Facebook ads, okay, meta ads. And so you've probably heard of Facebook ads, and you've probably heard of boosting posts, right? That's not what we do here at all. Boosting posts don't work. What we do is that we specialize in running local ads for local companies. We specialize in running retargeting campaigns. What is retargeting campaigns? It's when you click on an ad, you see a product, and you leave, you don't buy, and then you begin to start seeing more ads of that same product or service. And so when a retargeting campaign is set up properly, it is super effective, you guys. And a lot of digital marketers, literally 95% of them, are not retargeting. And when you're not retargeting, you're literally bleeding money, you guys. There are thousands and thousands of leads that are literally walking away because we're not capturing them in a retargeting audience, okay? And so the main thing that I want you to take away right now is that Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, all places that we advertise on are visual platforms, okay? Flooring is a visual product, okay? So you see the difference because Google, everyone is battling it out on Google right now, you guys. And Google, when they type in flooring companies near me, they see a block of text, okay? And so that's not selling you anything, all right? But what is when you're able to get your visual product on a visual platform in front of a targeted audience, okay? We can do amazing, like hyper targeting, you guys. I'm telling you, it is crazy what we can do online nowadays. And so one thing is that when you're advertising on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, you need a landing page, okay? And so this is a template of a landing page that we use for our clients, you guys. And so you got your logo, you got your name, you got your number. We're going to explain exactly what you do, and then we're going to show them a brochure of your guys' best work, okay? This is so important, you guys. And so one thing that digital marketers are doing right now that is not working is that they're trying to create the conversion of getting people to fill out a lead form, okay? And yes, that can work, but it doesn't do what we're looking to get it to do, okay? We want to 6x your revenue, you guys. We want to 6x your return. And so we want to get people into your showroom, okay? We want them to be in your showroom, talking to your sales rep, feeling, touching, smelling, seeing your visual product, okay? In the showroom, okay? Where you can then give them the sales pitch. You got a discount, whatever it is, okay? And so with these digital platforms, we take ads, right? And you guys can do video ads. All these take video and picture ads. It could be a video of you walking through your showroom, right? It could be a testimonial video. It could be a how-to video. And we put that up on people's screens, right? On their cell phones. And guys, it is super powerful, okay? We are literally stealing the market share away from Google, okay? Because first of all, because with Facebook and Instagram alone, right? Not talking about the other platforms, we're able to market to the whole population, okay? To your whole entire community, like not 18-year-olds, but like 35 and up, the average home buyer age and up, you guys. We can do some super hyper targeting, like I said before, you guys. It is so powerful, and we're not going to get into it all right now, but it is very, very powerful with what we can do. So I'll show you one thing that we can do. And so this is for YouTube, right? This is some of the targeting for YouTube is that demographics, right? Gender, age. Look at this, you guys. We can target the household income, okay? We can target the upper class, you guys, all right? Super powerful. I'm telling you, many marketers are not doing this, you guys, right? So let's go in here. In the market. So flooring. Look at what pops up, you guys. I know how to spell flooring. Look at this. In the market, right? People interested in purchasing any type of flooring or a laminate. It's 100 million to 500 million views, weekly impressions, you guys. Those are people searching these things up on Google, okay? Like, guys, how many of these people are going to your website, right? How many of these people are you getting your ads in front of on YouTube? Okay. How does YouTube know this? Because YouTube and Google are the same company. And if people are over on Google, searching up flooring near me, laminate flooring versus this type of flooring, right? They can tell that you're in the market for some flooring, right? Look at this. Carpet installation. People interested in hiring carpet installation services. Okay, you guys? These are people who are in the market. They're actively searching. They're searching up companies. They're searching up different products, okay? And we're able to take your product, your service, your showroom, your storefront, and put in a video and park it right in front of them while they're watching their YouTube TED Talks or their favorite sermon, whatever it is, right? It is so powerful, you guys. And this list goes on and on and on. Like rugs and carpets, maybe you're into that, right? People interested in purchasing soft floor coverings such as rugs and carpets, okay? Guys, we can target out the yin yang now online, all right? But I'm telling you, when was the last time you seen a local ad for a local company on YouTube? You guys, local marketers do not know how to do this, first of all, or they're just too lazy to set it up, okay? Here at Manuel Mission Marketers, we have a high standard in which we bring to our clients and which we bring to the table. And so this is super powerful, you guys. Do you think that when people are watching a YouTube video, when an ad pops up in the middle of the video and it's your showroom and you're saying, hey, your location, we're in flooring, and they're actively searching for it, do you think that's going to bring in more people? I'm telling you, it will. These strategies are phenomenal. They're very, very powerful, okay, you guys? And if you want to learn more about what we do, I'm telling you guys, this is literally the tip of the iceberg in which we do here, okay? This is just one little piece of the pie in which we bring this expertise and this knowledge over to your company, okay, you guys? And if you want to learn more, you can go over to manuelmissionmarketers.com. And this is our digital marketing website, you guys. And this is what you're going to see. We go a lot more in depth. There's more videos, there's pictures explaining everything that we do, okay? Where I go more in depth in what we do, you guys. And so hop on over there, you guys, and schedule a call with us, right? Call me. This is my personal number. You can call me or email us, and we'll set up a video call, and we can talk about how these strategies are going to help you and your company, right? And we can help you out. We can point you in the right direction. I want you guys to know is that you want a professional doing this, you guys. Your tech savvy friend, your marketing savvy friend. You need a digital marketer, okay? It doesn't have to be us, but it needs to be someone who's been trained to do this, all right? And so let me show you guys something right here. This is a little visual, okay? So you have your landing page right here, you guys, right? And so say we take your guys' product, we put it up on Facebook and Instagram, and we have all these different audiences here, okay? I'm not going to go into it, right? But say someone from Instagram, someone from Facebook clicks on one of your guys' ads, right? And they come into your website. Well, in your guys' website, we have this right here. It's called tracking, right? A tracking code, tracking cookies, some of you guys may have heard, okay? And what we're able to do is we're able to track them through the internet using their digital ID, using their digital footprint, okay, you guys? This is super important. So say 100 people go to your website, right, through Facebook, through Instagram, through just organically searching. 100 people go, right? You might get, if you're lucky, if you're truly blessed, 5 people turning into a lead, okay? That's super high, okay? People are not buying the first time that they're looking around, you guys, okay? It takes someone multiple times to see your product, to see your business, to see your service before they decide that they want to go with you, okay? And so what we're able to do, they come here, we've got the tracking code in there, all right? We're able to put them into a retargeting audience, okay? Where we show them a brand new campaign, more of your work, more of your videos, okay? And we track them back to Instagram, back to Facebook. We track them back to YouTube, so that we can then send those 95 people who didn't become a lead, right, more of your guys' work, okay? And so what we typically do is we do like 4 photos, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we do like 2 videos. Okay, I'm telling you guys, we're not just posting one advertisement out there and hoping that it works. Okay, so like you go to a lake when you're fishing, and you cast in one lure and you reel it in real quick, and you cast it out and reel it in real quick. No, man, we're going out with a trout line. All right, we got multiple different lures, we got multiple different baits. Okay, to see what's gonna work, and we're testing out the yin yang all the time, you guys. Okay. And so super duper powerful. Okay, you guys, we're not just, we're doing things quite a bit different than your average digital marketer. Okay, we do things not like we're working for man, not like we're working for a business, but we do things unto the Lord. Everything that we do is unto the Lord. And so I'm telling you guys is that these are super powerful strategies, right? That build brand authority, that build trust within your community and within the audience of people clicking onto your ads, and it creates massive amounts of people coming into your showrooms who are interested, who are in the market. And so here, digital Manuel mission marketers, right? We're marketing on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Google, and we've got so many different strategies, you guys, and tips and know-hows on how to make sure that your business is literally seen everywhere. It's called omnipresent marketing. And so we can, using these strategies, we can literally send 90% of people who are in the market to your showroom before they even go to Google to look for a business. All right, you guys, I'm telling you, these are super powerful strategies that are taking cold audiences and turning them into hot ones. Okay, we're taking people who are not even thinking about flooring and we're turning them into potential clients. Okay, that are going to come into your showroom. And so, if you want to learn more, if you want to reach out, we'll talk with you guys, and we can see just how these strategies are going to work for you guys. We can talk about different routes in which we would take. And I'm telling you guys is that hit us up, because someone else in your area is going to before you. All right. And so these strategies, they work, you guys. They're proven. Hit us up. God bless you. Until next time, this is Ty with Manuel Mission Marketers. We love you. God loves you. Jesus is King. God bless. See you guys.